All right, guys, here we go. It's the first time getting out here shooting, since at least 2 months. November, probably early November. I don't know. I wanted to try shooting a target down 50 yards from OK Rifleman, and I'm going to use a CZ 512 with semi-automatic. It's got a Rory scope on it, 24 power. It's a nice rifle, don't get me wrong, but it's got a thin barrel. Not your typical bull barrel. But the fit and finish is not quite as what you come to expect from CZ. I'm not. It's better than any. I think you're okay probably. But one thing is bad about it does have a horrendous trigger on it. It's not. There's no aftermarket trigger you can get for these that I'm aware of. You guys know something, let me know. But I've looked and looked. It ain't too much I can do with it, but if I can control the trigger, it shoots pretty doggone good. And we're shooting Ely match here, so let me pause you here. I haven't shot this thing today, so we're just going to do a few practice shots and we'll go after the target. All right, guys, like I say, this is 50 yards. If I can shoot the letters and the silhouettes there, then the KYL, then you got a couple 22 rounds down below there. I forget how they score, but yeah, I just like shooting. I have no idea where it's going to land at. I haven't, like I say, shot this for a while. My scope might be off. But we're going to try putting, this only has a 5-round magazine there. I do have a 25-round magazine, of course, my other CZs. But I don't know why I haven't gotten more CZ magazines. Okay, let's see. I'm going to aim for that 50. Where's the 50 on there? Hit right on the 50? I think so. Let's just try another one there. If I shot this gun more, where I'd be used to this trigger, and really be help out. That one I wasn't quite ready for. This doesn't really have a good wall, when you come to shoot it. You can see it shoots. It likes the Ely match. Well, let's put in another 5 rounds here. See what we can do. And it's pretty close to 60, if it's not 60 degrees right now. Most of the snow's melted off, except for maybe where, plowed up with the snowplow or something. I was out touching up the range today, hanging some steel stuff and redoing backing boards and stuff like that. I was going to remake a new target stand for a 25 and went down, hit the garage door, and got down the basement fine. Went to use some power tools and no electric. All the power went off in the area for who knows wherever. It might be back on by now. I don't know. Oh well, I'm going to half-ass the target stand here. Okay, let's go for the A, or the Y, not the A, but the Y. I think that would plug. I was actually aiming up a little high, tilting on her to drop down a little bit. We can get this one right in the middle of D. Okay, the S. Okay, load back up here again. Very little wind today. It's a good thing. Yeah, I was gonna say, yeah, pistol, I'll do this, make a bunch of videos tomorrow, but we're supposed to have 22-mile-an-hour wind tomorrow, according to my phone. Anyway. Okay, let's start with that bighorn sheep and work our way to. Ooh, case went right underneath my casing went underneath my arm. Okay, go for the hog. Okay, bird. Well, not that plug or not. May not. I don't know. I'm not going to go down there full plugging it, but I shouldn't quite aim so high. Next one. I think that plug right there, I think. You think that little tiny rabbit, can we do it? I don't think he could plug. Should aim just a little bit. I think as your barrel warms up, I think it's turning up just a little bit right there from where I started off at. You know, when I shoot at 50, shooting a little low. Okay, let's start off in the KYL right here. Ooh, I need to load up again. These 5-round magazines, they get me. It's almost dead calm right now, and that's unusual. I live up on Gobbler's Knob, and it seems like I always got wind. It's just how much wind. Okay, let's go for the big in there first. Get on down the line. You gotta put in. Dump these out here. What do I need? Oh, there. I got 5. That works out right. With the see 3 more of the KYLs and the 222 rounds. Okay. The stem count. Yeah, you want a pie now. Up there. Okay, let's see if we can get the two little 22s down there below there. Yep. He's close, but no cigar. Let me make sure. Got no other one there. Is it? Okay. Okay, well, I think we got all the letters, and let's zoom in there a little bit. I think as far as animals, I plug everything except for that rabbit. And then the KYL, what did I get? Oh, I didn't do very good. I only got 3 on that. So, but it's hard to get semi-auto. It's as good as your bolt action right there, but still fun. And get a little more used to this trigger right there. Like I said, I'm just green on it. I haven't shot it well, I haven't shot in 2 months. I probably haven't shot this since last summer. So, nevertheless, like I say, this OK Rifleman, yeah, go and check out his channel for sure right there. You can get hold of him. He'll send you, he's got a bunch of targets too. So, all right, guys, let me know what you think, and we'll talk to you next time.